Hey, bud. Guess what I just bought?
A microwave.
Yeah, microwave. What? What's the matter?
I don't know. Is it just me, or is it every time we get something new, something terrible happens like right afterwards?
Seems fine to me.
Put the banana in the microwave.
Jake, do you want to tell me why this banana tried to kill me in my sleep with this knife? Sean?
Yeah, we're gonna you up.
Something's wrong with the microwave.
You will die a peasant's death! Papa! Papa!
Hey guys, I'm here to help. You think you got anything on me? I'm gonna.
Oh! Schrecken! Oh! Guten Tag! Guten Tag!
Mamma mia!
You can't kill me. This isn't over for King Hot Dog. Not by a large. God no, not the microwave. Hey, what are you doing? No! You will all die!
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I have an idea.